Good morning, I'm Daisy, and this is ALPS Global News. It's Thursday, March 27th, 2025. Here are your top stories. Malaysia. Prime Minister Anwar gives Felda 1 month to chart a new direction. Petronas plans to raise $3 billion in bonds as part of a major right-sizing move. Cuckoo International launches Malaysia's biggest IPO in 7 months. MHB puts KLIA's expansion on hold to focus on optimizing existing terminals. Gamuda's Q2 profit is up 4.8%, with major contracts on the horizon. International. Trump signals limited exceptions for upcoming tariffs, sparking global concern. Vietnam slashes U.S. import duties and approves Starlink to avoid U.S. penalties. The wealthiest half of Americans now hold 97.5% of national wealth. Asia. Taiwan defends its trade surplus as U.S. tariff threats loom. Vivo targets 70% of its sales from overseas markets by 2027. Indonesia transfers over 200,000 hectares of seized palm plantations to a new state-run firm. More on these stories with Onat.
Thanks, Daisy. In Malaysia, Felda has 1 month to propose a revitalized strategy, with Anwar promising full government support. Petronas eyes used $3 billion from a bond issuance amid a challenging energy landscape. Meanwhile, Cuckoo's 1.29 ringgit per share IPO aims to raise over 470 million ringgit. Malaysia Airports is reviewing the KLIA master plan, delaying terminal expansions in favor of asset optimization. Gamuda, with record-high order books, expects new contracts to boost margins and earnings. Internationally, Donald Trump's tariff stance intensifies, with a warning of not too many exceptions. Vietnam, aiming to stay off the radar, has cut duties on key U.S. goods and approved Starlink services. Meanwhile, wealth inequality in the U.S. grows wider, with the top 0.1% holding over 13% of national wealth. Across Asia, Taiwan defends its trade position amid potential U.S. levies. Vivo plans global expansion, aiming for 70% of sales overseas. And in Indonesia, over 217,000 hectares of seized plantations are handed to state firm Agrinas Palma Nusantara. Back to you.
Thanks, Onat. That wraps up this morning's segment. Stay informed and follow ALPS Global News for more updates throughout the day.